Welcome everybody to another video lesson. In today's video, I am going to quickly go over what is a privacy policy and the importance of it, okay? So, if you're a business owner, entrepreneur, and you have a website or you're selling things online or you're just working on the online space, you want to make sure that you have a privacy policy set in place, okay? So, this is something that, is by law that you have to have. If you have like a website, you're selling products or services online, or you're trying to get information, like leads. Okay, so for example, if you're a real estate agent, a doctor, you're going to need a privacy policy for your site. Okay, so if you're doing anything like collecting information, collecting credit card information, okay, and some of the things that you want to have in your policy are things like, hey, we're going to keep your information safe. Um, we collect credit card info, but we don't give it away to third parties. We do not collect any info, anybody under the age of 18. Just any and everything you could possibly think of, just to kind of cover your business. With all the legality and everything that's out there, you want to make sure that you have something set in place. There's a couple of sites, and I'm going to show you one site where you can actually have it generated for you. If not, if you feel more comfortable, consulting with somebody and having somebody that specializes in creating these, then go ahead and look for somebody that does that type of work. For the most part, it's easy and it's not hard to do. So there's sites out there that can generate it for you or help you create it on your own. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen here and take you over to Connexio. Okay, so Connexio is just one site. Okay, just one site that allows you to do this. Okay, so what you are going to do is all you have to do. And this is if you're collecting leads, okay? So again, real estate agents, doctors, dentists, consultants, you have a business where you need leads. This will actually work good for you. So if you need a privacy policy for your lead ads, all you have to do, let's put, let's say we're a dentist, okay? Star Dentistry, company location, Dallas, Texas. You click generate. And it's going to give you a quickly generated privacy policy. Okay, so you got your terms here, use license, disclaimer, amendments, links, your overview of your privacy policy. So if you take a look, it says we'll gather and utilize individual data, that sort of stuff. So again, you wanna tweak this towards your business. It's not going to be 100% just copy and paste onto your business. Okay, so business site. You want to actually look through this. So this is like a template that's generated for you for leads. So you still want to make sure you go through this and make sure you add anything else you need to add onto it. Okay. And I can't stress this enough, guys. You have to have a privacy policy. Okay, so the way I learned about it, when I first started advertising my real estate business, a couple years back, I did not have a privacy policy set in place. Since I was collecting leads, I didn't have a privacy policy. And here's the thing now, if you're going to be doing social media marketing, typically your ad is going to have a spot where you can input your link to your privacy policy site. Okay. I learned the hard way, okay? I did not have one in place in the beginning with my real estate business. I was doing ads and ads and ads, and until one time Facebook, really looked into it, and they realized I didn't have a policy for leads in place. So they shut my account down. They shut my ad account down. It's just a horrible situation you do not want to be in, okay? If you're running your business off of ads, social media ads, or you're doing ads for somebody else, you don't want this to happen, okay? Because Facebook will completely shut off all access to your ad account and your business page, and that's something that you just it's not fun, and you don't want to go through it, okay? All because you could have prevented it by creating a privacy policy. Okay, so just think about what your business needs. Leads, you're collecting credit card info. You're not collecting info anybody underage. Just anything and everything that you want out there. Just for legal terms, okay? You don't want to held liable for anything, any info that goes out there, okay? For example, for like doctors or the medical field, you want to have something about HIPAA in there, okay? So if you guys know about this, this is like the law that says you're not going to give any medical information away for your patients, okay? Another example for real estate agents, okay? Real estate business, what you want to have in there is, your equal opportunity housing logo, and maybe a little section talking about how you give equal housing to, anybody, okay? So like all ethnicities, this and that you would need for your real estate business, okay? So every business should have their own things that you need to add on there. Again, Connexio is just one site that you guys can take a look at and use, but there are others. So you make sure that you have a privacy policy set in place before you start making any ads, okay? Alright guys, see you in the next video.